In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link GoCardless to Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can start collecting customer payments and have them flow straight into your Xero invoices with less manual work. First, open Xero in your browser and sign in to the organization you want to connect. It's important that you pick the right company if you manage more than one because the connection is specific to the organization you're in. You'll also need the right permissions in Xero to manage connected apps. If you're not seeing some of the options I mentioned, check with your account admin. Once you're in the Xero dashboard, look for the apps icon in the top area of the screen. It typically looks like a small grid or launcher. Click it to open Xero's app options. If the icon isn't visible, try widening your browser window or updating to the latest Xero interface. Sometimes layout changes can hide it on smaller screens. From the menu that appears, choose Xero App Store. This opens a dedicated space where you can find verified integrations. It may open in a new tab. If you're asked to confirm your region, select the country where your Xero organization operates since available apps and pricing can vary by location. In the App Store, find GoCardless. It might be featured on the home page, but if you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type GoCardless. Open the GoCardless listing to view details. Here, you can skim the summary to confirm it does what you need. Check compatibility notes, review pricing information, and read user reviews. Taking a minute here helps you avoid surprises later, especially if you're planning on using features like Direct Debit or Instant Bank Pay in specific regions. When you're ready, select Get This App. This button starts the connection flow from Xero's side. Xero will confirm which organization you're linking, then you'll be guided to continue the setup with GoCardless. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed. If you already use GoCardless, you'll typically sign in and approve the connection. If you're new to GoCardless, you'll be taken through their onboarding steps. Keep in mind that any financial app connection may involve verification checks for security and compliance, so allow a few extra minutes to complete those if they appear. That's all there is to it. You've started the process to link GoCardless to Xero directly from the Xero App Store, setting yourself up for faster, more reliable payment collection and cleaner bookkeeping. If you found this helpful, give it a try now from your Xero dashboard and make sure you're in the correct organization before you begin.